One of the items on my Christmas list this year was I wanted a new everyday carry knife to put in my pocket and keep with me at all times. I've been carrying this little Smith & Wesson knife here for quite some time now. Honestly, probably longer than I probably should have, just because of sentimental value, and it was given to me by a family member that's no longer with me. That's probably the reason why I held on to it for so long. So we're going to go ahead and put this in a different spot. It's just not going to be the one in my pocket every day. And that gives us the chance to introduce to you this CIVIVI Faeger knife. So I've had the opportunity to have this knife in my pocket now for about 2 weeks, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed with it so far. I've been really happy with it, and I'm really glad I made the switch. So let's go take a second to kind of go over the features of this knife. I'll show you this knife in action a few times here to give you an idea of what it's capable of. The CIVIVI Faeger knife has a pretty small footprint. It's extremely lightweight. Let's go over the specs real quick just to kind of give you an idea of what this knife's got going on. The blade itself is made of a Swedish 14C 28N steel. It's got a hollow grind on it. The knife itself has a very slim profile to it, as you can see here. And as far as the knife itself goes, the blade on it is obviously got no serrations on it. Now that was something that I was really wanting this time around. This knife here served me well over the years, and it's been pretty easy to, kind of keep a sharp blade on. But the serrations themselves, it's just not something I use as often as you would think. So I wanted something that I could actually sharpen the whole length of the blade on this time around. Honestly, I think I chose pretty well. The blade lengths themselves are pretty comparable. This one's got just a little bit more to it, but the weight on these things, you can tell the weight difference between these two knives in your hand. Now this knife does weigh in right at basically 3.3 ounces. Let's talk about the dimensions on this thing for a second as well. The blade length itself is 2.98 inches. The handle, you're gonna have 4.12 inches, making the total knife length 7.1 inches. Side profile here, the actual thickness of the handle here is 0.51 inches, so it's pretty thin as well. Now what I did notice at the same time is when you got this thing clipped in your pocket, it's a lot less noticeable than my old knife as well. So that was something I was also looking forward to, is just not taking up as much space in my pocket and not feeling that thing bouncing around in there. The actual clip here itself is reversible, so if you decide you don't like it on this side of the knife, you can swap that over to the other side. And then this thing is also available in a couple other colors as well. I opted for the OD green this time around. They do have 3 other colors available, so you can take a look at that, see if there's one you might like a little bit better. Now when you get this thing out of the box, they do include a little storage case as well if you decide you want that. I'm never going to use that, but I am going to hang on to this just in case I've got something else I want to store in there. They also do supply you with some documentation as well as like a little microfiber cloth there to clean this thing off with. So that's kind of neat. That's not something I've seen included with every single knife out there. Now, as far as the actual function of the knife itself, the action on this thing was something else that I was really looking forward to. Reading through some of the reviews on this, I only saw just a couple reviews on there that were, slightly on the bad side, and that was mainly had to do with this handle. This is a milled G10 handle. And that was something that I kind of saw a commonality to, that people had mentioned that they felt kind of cheap. I kind of disagree to that. I think this knife's got a really nice feel in my hand. The action on it is really nice as well. You can flip this thing open pretty easily. It does have the little locking button here on the side, and that's the other way that you can open that knife as well. Push that button to put the blade back in. But very easy once I take it out of my pocket. I don't fumble around with this knife at all. It just opens up extremely easy, and the curvature of that handle feels really nice in my hand. And honestly, I don't have any issues with this handle at all. It feels really nice to me. It's got a nice amount of grip to it, and that's something that I was really looking forward to, because on my older knife here that I've been carrying, it's just not a lot of curvature. It just never really felt very planted in my hand, especially if I need to really pull against the knife. This one here feels a lot more locked into my grip. Now let's talk about how the blade actually works and functions. Over the last couple weeks, I've had the opportunity to get into mainly just opening packages around Christmas time. That's all I feel like I did, but obviously something like this tears through boxes, no problem at all. But you can see here, just taking a piece of paper, if I just kind of go through that paper with ease, not a problem at all for this new knife. Obviously over time, we're gonna have to maintain that edge, but honestly, this thing just kind of glides through paper with no problem at all, like you see. Now I wanted to give this thing a little bit more of a test. Now I use this out in my farm mainly, more so than anything when I've got this in my pocket. So we're cutting the wraps off of round bells, things like that. Honestly, this thing has no problem with that at all. Cuts those wraps really well. True test that I've got here, I guess, that I'm gonna show you real quick on camera, is I've got a section of rope here. This is something I probably wouldn't cut as often. I just had it laying around, but this kind of give you a good idea of just how well this blade goes through. Just hold it down like so, get a good grip on my knife here, and you can see just in one cut there, I was able to sever that. So that's pretty decent in my book. But honestly, if you're looking for a new everyday carry knife, this one made by CIVIVI. This is the Faeger model. Check this one out, see if it might fit the bill for you. I really like the small footprint, the smooth action on this thing. And then honestly, it's got a really nice edge on it that's functioned for me very well so far. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this one. We'll catch you guys on the next video.